Tundra biome.
Tundra is the coldest of all the biomes. Tundra comes from the Finnish word tunturi, meaning treeless plain. It is noted for its frost-molded landscapes, extremely low temperatures, little precipitation, poor nutrients, and short growing seasons. The tundra biome is an essential region that is loaded with diverse plants and animals.
Location of the tundra. There are two main types of tundra biomes in the world, the Arctic tundra and the alpine tundra. Alpine tundra is situated on mountain tops that are too cold for trees to grow, particularly in the highest elevations. The Arctic tundra extends from the edge of the Arctic Ocean down to the coniferous trees of the taiga. Arctic tundra stretches across northern Canada and Alaska, Siberia, and North Scandinavia, close to the Arctic Circle.
Temperature and rainfall of the tundra. The tundra is the coldest of all the world's biomes and is one of the places that least inhabited by man. The Arctic tundra's average winter temperature is negative 34 degrees Celsius and average summer temperature is 3 degrees Celsius to 12 degrees Celsius. The temperature region only has 6 to 10 inches of snowfall each year and due to permafrost. In alpine tundra, the average temperature is under 10 degrees Celsius all year, with most precipitation being in the form of snow.
Fauna and flora. Plant and animal activities peak in tundra during the short summer season. No reptiles or amphibians can live in the tundra due to the harsh conditions, but other plants and animals have adaptations that allow them to survive in such a frigid environment.
Mammals of the tundra. A number of animals can survive in tundra habitats with their special adaptations such as an insulation fur and fat provided. One of the largest Arctic tundra mammals, the herbivorous muskox, has dense coat which combined with its large size and short legs and tail reduces the loss of body heat. Other herbivores in Arctic tundra include Arctic hares, squirrels, voles, lemmings, and caribou, and these animals have hooves that support them in the snow.
Most common carnivores in Arctic tundra are Arctic foxes and polar bears. Animals found in alpine tundra include marmots, mountain goats, sheep, and elk.
Feeding relationships in tundra. Diets of animals in tundra vary seasonally. Many species have adaptations which allow them to survive the harsh winters when food is scarce. The primary consumer on the tundra. The herbivores eat shrubs, flowers, leaves, and berries. Animals in the tundra year-round eat more during the summer to store up fat for the harsh winter months. Many herbivores have the ability to digest the lichen in the tundra. They eat lichen during winter months along with bark or any other vegetation they can find. During spring, they eat buds and shoots or dig up roots.
The secondary and tertiary carnivores feed on herbivores that are appropriately sized. For example, Arctic foxes feed on lemmings, birds, and carrion. Some of the carnivorous species of the tundra are opportunistic feeders, including brown bears, who eat berries and eggs if meat is scarce. Most of these carnivorous species hibernate in winter, which eliminates the need for food in harsh and leaner winter months.
Some bird species in tundra feed on vegetation and insects. Vegetation is usually scarce in the winter, but insects are available year-round. Other carnivorous bird species feed on small rodents, fish, or other birds.
Aquatic species found in tundra are polar bears, seals, whales, penguins, crabs, and a wide range of fish. Some species migrate south during winter months, but most of these species remain in the ocean surrounding the tundra, providing a food source for other aquatic animals as well as terrestrial animals. Polar bears feed on fish, seals, and penguins. Seals and penguins feed on fish.
Economical support to tundra biome. Economical support and income to the tundra biome mainly comes from Arctic tundra. Tourism. Visits to far north have increased considerably during the last 15 years, with up to 1 million tourists arriving each year. Most of the tourist attractions include hiking, backpacking, wildlife viewing, and river floating.
Mining. Mining is another source of income as the mineral wealth of the Arctic tundra is huge, and mining companies are both prospecting and extracting a wide variety of minerals including copper, coal, diamonds, gold, iron ore, lead, nickel, uranium, and zinc. Arctic's largest mineral deposits are found in Siberia.
Oil and gas. Oil and gas production causes huge amount of money poured into the state for the construction of the 800-mile-long Trans-Alaska oil pipeline. The Siberian Arctic is the second largest gas field in the world with an estimated 100 trillion cubic meters of natural gas deposits.
Human influence on the tundra biome. Human activities have a negative effect on the tundra because it is such a delicate environment. Even the slightest change in conditions can threaten the entire biome. These human activities include global warming, as the rising temperatures will melt glaciers and permafrost, flooding the surrounding areas and kill the delicate plant species.
Hunting. Hunting which causes extinction of species like musk oxen and caribou. Oil drilling, which pollutes the water, land, and air surrounding the tundra. Overdevelopment in tundra, such as building, roads, and structures, has attracted much more human traffic to an area where merely stepping on the fragile plant species can kill them.
Pollution also causes contamination of the food source for animals in the region.
In conclusion, the tundra is a beautiful biome. We fear so much for its future. It is above the trees and below the snow. It is a home to flowers, grasses, and mosses. It houses animals like lemmings, sheep, and wolves. It has its endangered species like the mountain lion and beautiful predator-prey relationships. The future of the biome is yet undecided. Pollution will wipe out the wild flowers and bees, and overhunting may wipe out the rest of the animals. These predictions are why we should be aware of this beautiful place and protect it for the future generations to come.